Collection, we back in the action, boys. Oh my god, the collection video's here. I want 3,000 thumbs up down below. And also, I would love some applause. Hey, shut up, kids! Fuck, I hate that soundtrack. I need my real men.
This is Sparta!
My real boys. I'll meet them sometime. They're real fucking chill. Go out for beers and shit. It's awesome. But of course, y'all know the NameBran fans real strong. We're marking the game the greatest of all time. Y'all the motherfucking goats. I appreciate you so much. Oh, and a little precursor. If you guys want to see my fake BAPE collection video, we're about to put that up at 3,000 likes. You can get it there tonight. But without further ado, man, you guys know that I just showed off the biggest fake Supreme collection on YouTube, and y'all love that video. I appreciate y'all for that, by the way, except YouTube age restricted it, and now you can't get views on it because apparently it doesn't show up on recommended feeds. YouTube, suck a dick. Age restricted again. Fuck. Now, today is the day where I drop my very favorite video to date, hopefully. Maybe not that. My very favorite collection to date, my entire real Supreme collection. I valued this bitch at $25,000. So remember, kids, it can be worth $2,000, but when you value it yourself, you're allowed to praise your shit yourself. It can be worth anything you want. You know what I mean? There's a little title advice to all you small-time YouTubers. Now, without further ado, boys, here is NameBran's entire fucking real Supreme collection. I feel like you guys don't even know what kind of heat we have. You know, a lot of people ask me, man, NameBran, if you have all this real Supreme heat, why don't you show it off? One response, bruh, I got a tiny penis. Tiny penis people do not deserve to have clout, bro. Until today. Follow my Instagram, I'm about to show off my tiny penis soon. Quick plug. Anyway, let's get on to this fucking collection. It's lit. Alright. So starting off this video, we're gonna do it kind of the same way that we did the fake Supreme collection video. Let's go around the room, see what's on the walls, and I'll tell you what's real in the collection, so I don't have to like take it down and shit. Saves me a lot of time. Kind of lit that way. We got this right here. It's my logo, Supreme logo style. That's fake. Fake. Fuck! It's all fake. Nope, we got that up there. Okay, so we got one piece right here on the wall. That shit right there is real. That is a real yoga mat. Pussy has been spread on that, boys. I got a couple of vaginas over, and they spread it on that mat, which is sick. Yeah, we just smell it on our off time. That's kind of what we're about here. All right, so we're gonna start off the Supreme collection with a light piece. Just joking. We got this air horn right here. Probably my favorite piece ever. It's the one thing that I use always. If you guys didn't see my Supreme air horn at the golf course prank video, it's fucking lit. We pissed off an old man. Actually, no, I pissed off his wife. Then I called her a C-O-N-T because she was swearing at me. Then I pissed him off and he threw a golf club at me. So that was crazy. Anyway, Supreme air horn. Also, notification squad, where you at? Fuck! No! Oh my god, it's out! No! Oh, bitch! I mean, this thing is super lit. We got the dildo lockbox. This is super sick. Now, I actually got this off the Supreme website on drop day. I don't think it resells for too much more, but it's dope. I had a lot of cool shit in here. I have my girlfriend's vibrators, so she doesn't use that shit. Hopefully, we can have sex sometime. That's not cum on the side, by the way. I threw an egg at my wall in a video because I thought it'd be funny. It landed all over my Supreme shit. Fuck! Did that suck? But honestly, man, if y'all look for any Supreme pieces that are kind of cheap on the retail market or on the resale market, I don't know, get this one. It's really dope. You can hide all your goods in it. Guess what? You lock the bitch up, throw away the key, and you can never get in it again. It's like a surprise box. How old can my dildos get in a lockbox? Do dildos age? Okay, off thought. Imagine having a dildo, but it ages like a real penis. You know what I mean? Shrivels up over time. Never gets hard once it reaches a certain age. And then you gotta feed it Viagra in the tip of it. Food for thought. And then we got some Rejuvenator in it for whatever reason. Oh! And a little piece of egg yolk. I was not lying to y'all, that actually fucking happened. You dare me? Don't tell me you dare me. I'll fucking do it. Oh. Not worth the goof. Hey, NameBran, you might be asking, how do you brush that dope gold tooth you have? Alright, you guys don't talk like that. Hold on. Hey, NameBran, how do you brush those fuck ugly teeth that are chipped because you thought it was cool to chip your teeth when you were younger and now you regret it? Y'all really gotta go deep, don't you? Plow! With my Supreme toothbrush, of course. So this is something I just got in a Supreme bag. It's decaying and it's rotting. I don't know if y'all saw my 10-minute Supreme toothbrush brushing challenge. It was super late. Yeah, there was blood everywhere, bro. Very sick video. We do everything for the tube. Follow me later when I stick this up my asshole and brush it. I won't do that. But I will pay somebody who does. And then we go back in there. I think you can get these for $20 though. So if you're trying to find some dope pieces for your shelf just to sit there, definitely a keeper and a user, because you can use it on your girlfriend's puss. Ah! No! No! What the fuck? Oh! I did have a white box logo shirt, which was sick. I was wanting to wear that tomorrow. I lost it. It was supposed to be in there. Anyway, up next we have a white Supreme box logo t-shirt that I lost and I can't afford to buy a new one. Fuck! My Patreon's down below if you guys want to help me out in buying a new one. That's actually shitty. What a shitty fucking experience that was. Fucking. That's a hard couch. We got one singular Supreme box logo sticker. When I ship out your merch shirts to you guys, when I do free giveaways, I usually throw some of these in there. That's the only one we got left. Probably gonna wrap it around my nipples later and then squeeze my tits together and take a picture like it's on girls' nipples. Yeah, that's smart. Flexing on Instagram with my own tits. Anyway, Supreme sticker, once again, you can get these motherfuckers cheap. You guys want to put it on your laptop, you can. Put it on your girl's knuckles, you can. Supreme box logo sticker, lit. And how the motherfuck can I forget we got these puppies right here. I actually only have one of these because we made a sneaker mask with the other one, but we got the Supreme up-tempo in gold, and I shoved this one in a deep dish pizza when I was in Chicago, which was lit. So we still have crusty pizza on it. It was about a year ago that happened too. Anyway, very, very dope shoe. It looks very sick on foot. Oh, you know what? May as well clean my tongue off with Supreme toothbrush that's moldy. Also gross. Remember that ongoing joke we have that my roommate doesn't know I film YouTube videos and she's always downstairs hearing me gag and shit? Either she thinks I'm retarded or gay as fuck. And last Supreme accessory we have, I think, the brick. It broke! Just kidding, it was already broken. But we spray painted this thing. I tried to make a Louis Vuitton Supreme brick, and then it didn't work, so I got mad in video and smashed it. Y'all have a lot of catching up to do with videos. I could link them all, but I'm not going to. So just search it. Supreme Louis Vuitton brick. It was dope. Anyway, Supreme brick, I mean. Also very, very cheap. If you guys want it on your shelf, I think it's like $100. Looks dope. Can throw it through windows, throw it at your fucking teacher. Whatever you want to do, do it. NameBran didn't tell you to. Supreme rum, which is lit. I got this one for like, I think this one cost me $20,000, which is why this is a $25,000 collection. Crazy how that works, but you know, it's regular spice Supreme Captain Morgan rum. Oh, you want me to taste it? If you guys say so. Yeah, very Supreme-y. Oh, I hate pineapples. Fuck. Alright, so that's pretty much it for the Supreme accessory. Nope, one more. We got the last Supreme accessory right here. This anti-social, what? Nope, is that? Nope, it's anti-hero. Sick move. Supreme deck right here, you know, I just like to tray flip and kick flip and shit like that, and you know, jump over cars and shit. I'm really good. Anyway, if you guys want a skate video, I can do it real soon. I'm just waiting for my sponsorship with Plan B to work out. They don't want me showing any skate videos. They want me to come out of the works just fucking blazing, you know what I mean? Anyway, just believe me that I'm fucking sick at skateboarding, shredding up the rails and shit, so dope deck. It's a Supreme box logo right here. Probably won't skate this one because I'm too good. It's the thickness of it's not good. So that's deck. Cool. Get him on the wall! Fuck, this is a bitch to hang. Good, we're good, sorry. Now for a quick message. Are you guys sick and tired of not following dope Instagram pages? Well, do I have a page for you? Blah, right here. It's actually mine, and once we hit 100,000 subscribers, I'm dropping nudes of myself. So if you guys want to do that, go check it out. If you don't want to check it out, and tell your girl to or whatever, and to send me nudie pics, because that'd be sick. Now on to the Supreme clothing, because that shit's really lit. So I'm kind of bummed to say that we didn't have the white box logo tee. I don't know where the fuck that went. However, we do have a Supreme box logo hoodie right here. Now I've gotten a lot of mixed messages on this, bro. I'm not sure if it wants to lay me or not. No, I'm just kidding. That's not the mixed messages. Actually, I've been hearing from you guys that this box logo may or may not be fake, and people are only saying that because I got it for a pretty good price. However, there's a legit check if y'all really want to help me out. I think the one thing that might give it away if fake or not is this right here. I really ask for your help down below. I haven't worn it yet because I'm not sure if it's fake or not, and I don't like wearing fake shit. And then tags right there. Y'all let me know. I've actually owned one of these exact ones in the past, the gray version. That was 100% real until I paintballed it and then spray painted on it because I got angry. But it feels the exact same. It looks the exact same. But I want you guys to let me know real talk if this is fake or not. And if you tell me it's fake just to goof on me, I'll goof on you. Balls in your mouth, bitch. Next up, a very, very dope piece. I just got the last Supreme drop that I actually tried for. We got this very sick crew neck with the Supreme limp dick logo right here. It says Supreme, and it's squiggly. On the inside, it's got the tags and shit, and it's blue. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm a reviewer, so I'm gonna tell you the color. It's blue. Size large, because everyone gives a fuck. Anyway, my name's Bullet RC. I also have a bunch of clothing that I don't wear. I could give it to the homeless, but I don't. Just kidding. I love you, buddy. Anyway, Supreme crew neck. Probably one of my favorite pieces. Probably one of the pieces that I rock the most. By the way, let me know down below what your favorite piece of my real collection is. I'd really like to know that. And that's what I'm gonna wear tomorrow. So I'm gonna be clout-like with a small dick and huge balls. Bro, I'm telling you, man, my ball sack is the size of a goddamn melon. It's huge. Oh, let's just say fucking get into some fire real quick. Probably my favorite piece of Supreme I own. We got the Scarface, the world is yours, denim jacket right here, which is sick. Yeah, I'm a huge fan of Scarface. Watched the movie no times at all ever. Just kidding, I watched it. It's a good movie. But yeah, it's very sick. It's cool. I feel like Jacob Starr will really respect me when I wear this. So usually when I see him, I wear it around him. You know what I mean? Really trying to make friends in this industry. Ever, actually, anywhere. I'd love to make a friend or two. I got this bitch in a size large, and I definitely recommend it. That was some real review shit right there, boys. Which is not me. Now let me piss on it, please. You know what? We're probably gonna wear this for the rest of the video, because I'm looking in the camera right now, and I'm feeling pretty fucking fly. Alright, this next one right here is probably one of my most hype pieces. I don't like it. It doesn't look good on me, but it's this one right here, the Supreme blocking thing with the hood on it, which is very dope. I got this actually for retail on the website, and I remember it didn't sell out fast at all. Like, I checked back 5 minutes later and a couple colorways are still there, and it was kind of weird to me. So I was like, fuck, did I just make a stupid mistake? Because I was gonna resell it until my fucking buddy, the bitch got Kool-Aid all over it, boys. I don't know if you could see it. It's right here. I don't know, it's really faint. Anyway, this thing would be worth, I think, like 500 bucks around USD. So that's very sick. If anyone wants some Kool-Aid stained Supreme, I could definitely hook you up on a fucking discount, $550. Very dope piece. I just wish I looked good in it. I don't look good with this blockage white and black shit, you know what I mean? I'm white and black as it is, so like, it's just too matchy-matchy once I put it on my body. I need some Latina shit or something like that, you know what I mean? Big ass. I need a big ass. How could I forget this shitty piece? Plug in, bitch! So we got the Supreme S right here. I got this at SneakerCon for like 200 bucks or 160 bucks. The worst purchase of my life. I'll never wear anything just fucking beat red like this, and I thought when I got it, it was a sick deal. I was like, no, I'll fucking rock that well. I looked like that Joker gang dude with the Joker tat on his face. Yeah, retarded. Second last, maybe, not sure. I got a lot of shit in this room. We got this crew neck right here, which is a size medium. It doesn't fit me too well, which sucks. I wish it was a large. We got Supreme on the back. Once again, those are not cum stains on it. I took a spray paint can and I blew it up with an axe with the Yeezy underneath it. Super dope video. I was wearing Supreme for whatever reason. Then I bleached the bitch. Wait, no, I think that's actually semen. Shit. I need this off of my body. Oh, it's hot in here. Woo, coffee and vodka, boys. God damn, is that a combination. And last but not least, I think, unfortunately, I hope this video is at 10 minutes. We got this very, very, very sick. Doesn't look good on me because I look fat in hoodies because I have a round face and fucking thick arms. We got the Supreme floral print right here. This is probably one of my favorite pieces they dropped this year. A lot of the shit's just from this year because I just got into Supreme this year. But we just got the floral print. Jacob Starr, I actually watch a lot of his Supreme videos because he gives you lots of like details and like background information on shit, which is sick because I don't learn by reading or at all. But I learn when he speaks to me, which is awesome. I think this is off of an old Guess logo, if I remember correct from his video. Y'all correct me down below. But very sick embroidery. We got Supreme right there. We got a bucket of flowers. Never bought my girlfriend any of those until she fucking lays me. And then we got the Supreme logo on the inside. Very dope colorway. This is the one colorway I wanted for this piece, and I got it. And that looks shitty in it. So if y'all want to buy this for a fucking steal, it's like $2 grand at least. Meaning my collection might be $35,000 now. NameBran, editing room. Think about it. Think about it. Title possibility. But yeah, boys, I think that is absolutely it for this collection. I just got a lot of clothing, a lot of accessories, no real hype shit, but just the shit that I kind of want to rock. I don't want to rock like $1,000 fucking sweater. You know what I mean? It's too much. I fucking shit on everything. Always happens. Retarded. Anyway, I appreciate y'all for watching so much. If you guys want to leave a big thumbs up down below for the Supreme collection, do it. If you guys want to see a fake BAPE collection, or fake Yeezy collection, fake Jordan collection, I got a lot of this shit from Instagram ad buying series. I got nothing to do with all the fake shit, except for the Supreme. That shit's cool. All the other stuff's just like lies in my closet and on the floor. And yeah, appreciate y'all. You're wrecking the game. The greatest of all time. NameBran Thems. Real strong. Subscribe down below if you're new, man. Just hit me with one of those sub button hits. And nudie pics on my Instagram, which is also right there. We signing out. Blow. Patreon's down below. I'd love some money from you.